Today I will discuss WordPress theme customization. Before going to know the customization of WordPress theme, first of all we have to see which theme we are using. In my tutorial I am using the default theme of WordPress, that is 2017. Let's see how we will customize this theme and make it beautiful for the user. First of all, we have to click on the appearance, then click on the customization section. After that, you will get a sidebar. In this section, you need to click on the site identity. Here you have to add the logo and site title tagline. Site title here means this portion. Let's see the site on browser. This site actually look like this. This is the title and this is the tagline. We are going to change. If you want to change this tagline, title or tagline, you can change that from here. And if you want to add the logo, you have to click on this select logo section. Then you have to select file. I am going to select this file, and after that I am going to name it as my logo, and then select and crop the logo. You see that the logo is displaying here. Let's see what happened here. Nothing happened actually, because I have to save the option here and click on the published. Okay, let's publish. Now see what happened. The logo is appearing here. Now site icon. You have to you can select one icon that will be displayed here as a favicon icon. You can use the same image and publish, and you see the icon is appearing here. Now back, click on color. There are three options: dark, light and customized, and header text color. You can click here to change the header text. This is the header text color. This is white actually. You can change it red, green, anything you want. White is better. Okay, and publish. Go back to the previous section. Now click on header media. Here you see you can add a video, header video. You can upload your video here, or you can use any YouTube link here as header video. And the second part is current header, new image. This is the current header image. You can change it or hide it. Let's see what happened if we hide this image, and this image has gone. Now publish. Check it on the browser. Image has gone. Go to the customization section again. Let's choose another image. Upload the image. We can use any image that you like. Here I am using this image. Select and crop. Okay, crop image. Now publish. Let's see what happened in the browser section. Oh, that's nice. Okay, then there is no other option. Here is another 3 option. You can see the responsiveness of the website by clicking this button. Yeah, this is responsive website and this also responsive. Okay, then go back to the previous section, and here is the menu section. Actually today I am not going to elaborate the menu section. Actually this section is large. I will discuss further on creating menu. Today I am going to discuss widget section. There are 3 section here: blogger, sidebar, footer 1, footer 2. In this theme the sidebar means this one, this sidebar, and footer means this section. There is no footer actually in this time right now. So let's see what we can change here. Okay, first of all, blog sidebar. Click on the blog sidebar. You see there are some widgets: search option, recent comments, archive, categories, and metadata. If you want to change anything from this sidebar, just you have to click on this drop down box and do accordingly. Let's say that meta, I want to remove the meta. Just click on this arrow button and remove this and publish. Let's see what happened on the browser. Metadata will be gone. Yeah, metadata is removed from the sidebar. That's it. You can change the search widget, recent post widget. That's up to you, and you can also add any widget that you want. Now footer number 1. You have to add any widget if you want. Here I want to add a calendar section. Then I want to add you can add anything you want actually. Archive. Okay, then publish. What happened in the browser? Let's see. Here is the calendar and here is the archive. Now I want to input second widget, second footer, that will be displayed here. Back to the previous section, footer 1, add widget. Here I want to add recent post, and I want to add recent comments also. After that I will publish that. Now let's see what happened here. Yeah, I have got a recent post and recent comments here. Actually this is the primary customization of the WordPress theme. I will later discuss advanced level of WordPress customization by PHP code alteration or any new themes actually. I hope this tutorial helps you to customize your WordPress website. Thank you very much.